What is up, guys? It's your boy, No Risk, No Premium, back with another episode of the market overview, guys. First and foremost, I just want to apologize to all of our loyal and faithful subscribers to this channel. Yesterday, I had some personal matters to tend to after market that took a lot longer than I had originally anticipated in the time that I actually had gotten home. I would have it would have been just way too late to record and get it out to you guys, so I chose not to. So today I am choosing to do it right here. I mean, you could see it's 1:23 my time down at the bottom of the screen here. That's obviously Pacific Standard Time. Market just closed 23 minutes ago. I'm choosing to do it now. And I'm also starting to think maybe it might be better to possibly put this video out earlier, because I realize, usually when I do it around 4 or 5 o'clock my time, because I usually go to the gym after the market, right? A lot of you guys on the East Coast are just in different time zones, right? It might be a little bit later at night. So, guys, comment below. Okay, first off, hit the subscribe channel if you're new to the channel. This is the market overview. We do 4 different tickers, 4 different trade plans every single day. All of your cash ETFs, meaning the SPY, QQQ, IWM, and then we throw in the ESF futures because I like to trade the ESF futures. So I like to get that for you guys as well. So welcome. Hit the like, hit the subscribe button. But guys, comment below. Comment below, truly, if it would help you or be more advantageous for me to just film right after the market closes, okay, and just get it out as early as possible. Would that be more beneficial? Comment below, say yes, that would be more beneficial, or something in the matter, so I know. Okay, I appreciate you guys there. Okay, now let's take care of some business. All righty, what's on the docket for tomorrow as far as economic data? Today we had a big old nothing burger, so it's kind of nice. You don't have to worry about any data dropping. Tomorrow, got a bunch of mortgage stuff comes out really early in the morning, 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. That's 4 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. We do have some 8:30 data. We have the trade balance, aka the deficit. So that comes out at 5:30. I think we can get a little bit of movement there. Then a ton of more oil, fuel, gas type stuff coming out at 10:30. That's 1 hour into market open. I don't think this is going to be like some CPI move type data, but you just want to pay attention to this data as an hour in. I think the bigger thing will probably be the trade balance that comes out, i.e. the deficit. We'll want to see what that looks like. And that's pretty much it for the rest of the day, all you need to worry about. So just that 8:30 data, trade balance, want to keep an eye there. Know that an hour in, we do have some oil, gas, and fuel type data coming out. Now onto the charts. ESF. Look, what did we hold? What did we hold? Well, we held yesterday's low, obviously. Okay, is this the end of the pullback? Is this the end of the pullback? Well, I would think if we break and hold above today's high of the day, right? If we break and hold above today's high of the day, and I'm going to put Y yesterday high of the day, because that's what it'll be tomorrow. Okay, if we break and hold above that, you would think that this slight pullback might be over with, right? Because what did we do? We spent all this time in all of this balance area, finally broke out, continued to make higher lows, then we started really going. And this breakout over this 40, pretty much 4,200, but 42.15 area really opened up. What first price target was 42.60, second one was 42.88. We got to pretty much 4,300. Even next big one up is 43.27, and that opens up 43.70 above there. Like, that is a huge multi-month breakout. If we get above that area, like, let's just take a look. Last time we were in this area was all the way back in August of last year. Right, so do we see that there could be some turbulence here? Absolutely. Okay, absolutely. But we won't know until we get that true test of that 43.27. So the plan for tomorrow, because we can see here on this hourly chart, we basically spent a day balancing. We pulled back, spent an entire day balancing. Right, spent an entire day balancing. So it's either we break this 42.68 or we break 42.94. So that's going to be the play tomorrow. You can watch for dips if they come into 42.68 all the way to 42.73 area. As you can see, all these wicks down, we're hitting there. Okay, all these wicks down we're hitting. So let's say we do get a dip and we do build a bottom forming pattern. You could possibly take a scalp long there if I have a rotation back up to the upside. But I think the true break and hold 42 94, call it 42.95, making a higher low up there, making a higher high as well. Would open up 43.05 and ultimately open up 43.27. SPY chart going to look very similar to IW. Going to look very similar to ES. Wow, I almost said it twice. Look very similar to ES. Why? Right. Let's we'll just actually, you know what, we could have kept it actually, because it was a good line in there. Anyway, same thing on SPY here, right? Pull back, spend a whole day balancing. Now it's whichever side we break out of this balance here, right? Whatever side we break out of the balance. So I'm thinking 42, excuse me, sorry, 428.50, right? Which was Wix. Whoa. 428.50. Okay, 428.50 opens up this 429.67, which ultimately opens up 431.50. Above 431.50, view that as that 43.27 on ES. We open up, I didn't have a level marked up there, but it's 435 above. So a little bit of room to run, just like it's I'm sorry, 436. It's 443.70 on ES, right? So let's look. We do have some consolidation in here too on this hour. So it's a break out of this balance. It's a breakout of this balance. Okay, if we break and hold 428.50, it'll target recent highs and then 431.50 above there. If not, watch this 426.50, but ultimately 426, you want to see a break and hold would be a lower low on the daily. Target 425.50, 424 gaps down to 423 under there. QQQ looks very similar to SPY chart. Very similar. QQQ, higher high, higher lows, right? But had a full-on balance day here now, right? Full-on balance day. So we have pretty much 353, our low of the day. So same game plan that we have for SPY. We either break out of this balance over 356 or we break below 353. Just depends. Okay, just depends. Watch for either the break and hold making a higher low intraday to get higher, or the higher or lower high intraday to go lower. 352, that'd be my pivot. Break and hold below there really sends us down. 350, I don't think that would hold. 348 likely would be the area you'd want to watch after 352. Okay, after 352, but we are in a breakout on SPY, and now we're finally in a breakout on who? The redheaded stepchild, which is no longer the redheaded stepchild because she looks so beautiful, right? What we have been in this area for God knows how long. And now look what's finally happening. This is called balancing for way too long. And what we said was any dips into 179, which was the top of the balance, need to get bought for this not to be a fake a failed breakout or a fake breakout. And it wasn't, and it didn't disappoint either. Now look, we went right. I mean, this is just look at this green bar on item. This is a massive day. 179 to 185 is a massive day for IWM. Monster move. Do we continue up? Look at this consolidation in here. I would think if we get over this 185, but 186 really, it's going to open up 191, right? 194, 198 to 200 above there. This is cooking for a huge breakout. And if it does, and IWM continues to buy the dips, it's more than likely SPY and QQQ will more than likely have buying at a support or a call side trade is what you're going to want to look at. Okay, guys? So as long as this top balance holds, but I think now any dips into this 182 area, I think the 1 hour will show us a little bit better. Like, right? Look at this 182, right? 182 area we just talked about. Any dips into there you'd want to basically hold. You want to hold any dips into 182, okay, or the break of 185 gives you 186.50, and then all above from there. 191 pretty much above there. All right, guys. So watch IWM, and other than that, wake up early, get your levels right, and of course, don't do anything fucking stupid. We'll see you bright and early. Peace.